Imagine a sequence that's hidden yet visible everywhere. This sequence is embedded in leaves, flowers, and shells. But that's not all. It's in the air we breathe. Even the spiraling winds follow this rule. Wonder why it's inescapable? Human lungs, with their branching bronchi, reveal this pattern. It's like nature's secret code, embedded in life itself. Look closer at flowers. Sunflowers, for instance, showcase it in their seeds. It's precise, nothing random about it. Seashells curve with Fibonacci precision, carrying ancient secrets in their spirals. Nature whispers her mysteries, and then there's DNA. The double helix reveals Fibonacci's influence. Your very essence is a testament to nature's design.